tired of bland product images that kill your brand's sale or don't have enough resources to create professional looking images? If yes, then let me show you how you can create images using ImagineArt. So go to ImagineArt.ai and on your home page in the left sidebar, you'll see the workflow option which you'll click, and here you want to create a new workflow by clicking on this create new workflow button. Now what workflow does is it simply makes a template that you want to use every time you're trying to do certain tasks. So now you can add in a node by clicking on this add button and select the type of node that you want. So you want to add an upload node, which is what will be used to upload your images. So I'm going to upload this image here and click on the open button, and you can simply drag it to this chart. Now you want to create another node, which is the image utility and remove background node. So simply place it here, and you can connect the node by clicking on this files node option and connecting it here, and simply click on this run button to remove the background from your image. So your background is now removed. Now what you want to do is create product images. So you'll simply create another node, and this time you'll create a generate image node, and here you can select the model that you want to use. Simply click on any model. I'm going to use Nano Banana and adjust this mode in your screen, and here you'll have the options such as the model selection, which you can change from this drop down here, and the image size, that is the aspect ratio, so you can switch that up here as well, and the amount of images that you want to generate. So I'll keep the image size to 1 by 1 because my product image is 1 by 1 as well. Now you have to add in a prompt node as well to give the prompt to this image generation node. So add in another node and select the prompt one, and here you'll have to add in the prompt for the image creation. So I've added my prompt, that is to create a photorealistic lifestyle model wearing the product that is given, and I've described the dressing and the overall scene, lighting and composition of the photo. So now I'll connect this prompt to this image button here and connect this reference image to the image generation as well, and simply hit run and wait for it to generate an image. So this is the image that it came up with. Now all you have to do is describe 3 to 4 prompts according to your brand visual identity and create images like such. So I'm going to add in one more prompt and add in one more generated image and just lay them here and copy them again to create multiple images and prompts. So to do so, I'll select both of them and duplicate them by clicking on Ctrl C and Ctrl V to duplicate them, and then moving them around here, and I will have to connect prompt to the image generation and the final reference image that you want to use, and just connect everything up real quick. Add in your prompts that describe the image that you want to generate, and then you can select all these nodes and simply click on this run selected button for them to run all together, and simply hit the run button, wait for it to generate the image. So these are the images that it has generated, and you can see they're according to the prompt. Now let me show you how this template is reusable. So I'm going to replace this image using this replace button and add in a new product image, and you can wait for it to be uploaded, and simply after it's uploaded, select all these prompts and the text as well as the generate image nodes. After selecting everything, you'll just click on the run selected button here, and it will generate images for all the prompts, and just like that you'll have all the product images. So let's wait. So these are our generated image. Now to download these images, you can simply click on this 3 dots button and download either the current image or all the image that were generated, or if you want to download all the generated image, you can simply select all of these generate image nodes and then click on this download button, which will download a zip file of all the generated image, not just the current image which are displayed right now. So that was basically how you can create a workflow in ImagineArt which can help you create product images. So this is mainly useful for someone who has an online business but don't have much resources, or even content creators.